Good morning from under my boat as usual, and today I'm very determined that I'm going to build this shelter. The last time I was defeated by my absence of knowledge, but now on this little piece of paper I have my victory. The paper is so worn, I erased a lot because I manually was trying to find those angles. I cannot work with this thing. I always mess up with it. Previous time I made a lot of mistakes because I didn't place it right. So I use this instead and it works perfectly. Maybe it's a little shame, I guess, but it works and it's easy. Okay, I cut all wood which I need. Okay, I measured the distance between my angles. I fixed angles on one side and on another side, and I needed to find the distance between them. And it's a funny thing, you know, when you do not have a second person to help you, a kind of creative flow opens in you and you're trying to find out the way how you can make it by yourself. And I like it. I like it because this is a great field of fun. I cannot be more happy because look at this. My measurements were right. I did it. Angles matched together. Just take a look. Ta-da-da-dam, ta-da-da-dam. I just fixed it here with these things. Well, I've noticed that this one is a little bit higher than the rest. This is because the size of my boat, it goes down a little bit. It's about 8 centimeters. It's just perfect. Good morning, my loves. It is so warm and sunny today, and I'm about to finish my shelter. All that is left is to connect the arches with the long planks, and I already bought a bunch of new planks. I've chosen cheaper ones. They're a little bit thinner, but I guess they will still do their job pretty well. I also bought this too. By the way, last evening I was chatting with a friend of mine, and he has built quite a lot in his life, and he asked me how I connected the planks in my arches, and I showed him how, and he said that it's just killing him. I think that a lot of things which I am doing here is killing people who have a great experience in building or in boats restoring, but this is my way, and yeah, it is what it is. You know, it is not even 5 p.m., but it is already so dark here, and it looks like I have to get used to work in darkness. This is my new shelter, and it is almost finished. I'm going to add ropes over there, everywhere, just to be sure that water is not going to collect on the roof of this shelter, and I pretty love it. This is not as stable as probably a human with a great knowledge will make, but it is pretty good. See, it's not moving a lot. Good morning! I have a new friend, but let me prepare everything. I want to introduce him. What? Gotcha. I always thought that they cost like $1,000. I mean drones, and I want them so much all the time, but with my boat, you know, I have so many things to put money in, I mean in my boat, so I didn't even think about drone, but you know, the price is only $200. I decided that I want to invest $200 in my blog. Previous month I asked my friend for his drone, and I made a few beautiful shots on nature, and I add them in every video. The same footage of the same forest and mountain, but now I can make more, so my episodes will be more pleasant and nice to watch. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy now I have this thing.
There's a strong mist blowing off the walls of an emerald mountainside. I can hear the canyons calling, the soft roar of water falling. The words I know cannot convey the gravity of this peaceful place. The words I know cannot begin to capture standing on this continent.
I should do it early, before the rap at least, but I just forgot. So I'm going to fix it right this way. That's good. Well, I was not sure that I should add it to my blog, but I was so happy that my wrap fits perfectly from the very beginning till the end, and I was so happy about it. So I fixed here, and then I go there and fix there, and then I fix again here, and then again on another side, and now it looks so good. And I was so happy about it until one moment when I realized that I didn't fix everything which is in the middle. Yeah, and now I understand that I cannot do it. I do not know what I was thinking about. Maybe I will fix it perfectly here and there, and then it will be easier to, you know, to bind everything which is in the middle. I don't know how to do it. I think that this blog is also about a very simple thought. If I can do this, you will definitely be able to do the same. If you desire to rebuild an old boat, but you're afraid to start, if I will be successful in this project, oh my god, you have all chances. Okay. I removed everything. I do not know why, but sometimes I find fixing mistakes more fun and joy than, you know, to make everything right from the first attempt.
Blowing off the walls of the emerald mountainside.
Let me introduce you my shelter. Ta-da! I like it. Let's go inside and I will show you how it looks inside. I want to add a teeny tiny planks here, and on another side, and I will add curtains also. Like this. I love it.
I'm up on the roof of the world. I'm up on the roof of the world. The clouds are shaking hands, exchanging compliments. Up on the roof of the world. Up on the roof of the world. I've never felt so small, looking out across it all.
And now my favorite part of the all episodes. Thank you all my supporters via Patreon and PayPal. You really helped me to push this project on. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much, my dear people. Also, I have few updates inside my boat. I have some work done, but I really want to share it in my next episode because it's going to be one more beautiful before and after video. So see you in 1 week. See you next weekend. I am so grateful for you to be here, to stay with me. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon. Bye.